Hi students, welcome back to our similar triangles chapter constructions part 4. So before going to start, you have to follow previous constructions part 1, part 2, part 3. So now question number 4, construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude is 4 cm. Then draw another triangle whose sides are 1 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. So you know isosceles triangle, two sides of a triangle are equal. So here given base is 8 cm and altitude is 4 centimeters. So given base 8 cm and altitude 4 centimeters. Altitude is nothing but perpendicular height to the base. So perpendicular height to the base, and so here 1 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. That means you have to draw the 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2 means 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2. That means 3 by 2 means smaller to bigger. So you have to draw the smaller to bigger similar triangle. Smaller to bigger similar triangle. This is the rough triangle. I am drawing rough triangle. So before going to draw the construction, everyone should draw the rough triangle. So AC, A dash, C dash. So this is the rough triangle as we already know. Now we are going to draw the real construction. So required construction is base is 8 centimeters. Base is 8 centimeters. Here BC, B and C, base is 8 centimeters. So next thing is to draw the triangle we need altitude 4 centimeters. Before going to draw the altitude 4 centimeters, we need to draw perpendicular bisectors. For the perpendicular bisectors more than half. So we have to take more than half like this. Now join these two. This one is the perpendicular bisectors. Why we are drawing perpendicular bisectors? Because to draw the altitude of 4 centimeters. To draw the altitude of 4 centimeters, take a compass and take 4 centimeters from middle of the base, cut it. Understood? From middle of the base, cut it. Now this one is the altitude of 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Make this one is as okay, for example x or y. Now draw triangle. No, this one is as A. because ABC is triangle, right? Now join these two. As per the rough triangle ABC, we have drawn the triangle. Now this one is the 90 degrees and this one is the acute ray. As we already know, this one is the acute ray. This one is the acute ray. To draw the similar triangle, this one is the acute ray, BX. Now how many arcs we are going to draw here? 3 by 2. So which one is bigger one? 3. 3 is the bigger one. I am going to draw 3 arcs only. 3 arcs only. 1, 2, 3. That's it. B1, B2, B3. From B1, 2, 3 of equal length. Whatever length you can take it. Okay. Now, so smaller to bigger. So 3 by 2, smaller to bigger. So you have to join B2 to C. Smaller to bigger. So first of all, we have to join these two. Okay. Now we have to draw parallel to this one, another line here, another line. So here draw an arc here. From B3 draw one more arc here of your own length and measure these two. Measure here and measure here. Okay. The same way cut here. What I have done here, first of all, draw an arc here. From B3 draw an arc, measure this from this one. From here you have to cut, because you have measured from this one, so you have to intersect this one. Now draw parallel line to this one from B3. Okay, now extend this two. Okay, extend this two. B2 C, B3 C dash, B3 C dash. Now here AC, A dash C dash. We have to draw A dash C dash. One arc from here, another arc. Now what we have to do? Measure these two. Measure these two. From here you have to cut it. Okay, now intersect this. Now join this. extend. This one A dash, C dash. In the same way, we have completed our construction. Now steps of construction. First of all, draw a triangle ABC of base is equals to 8 centimeter and altitude is equals to 4 centimeters. Second one, draw an acute ray BX, okay, with B1 is equals to B1 B2 is equals to B2 B3. Okay, next one, third one, draw parallel line B2 to C through B3C dash. Fourth one, draw another parallel line to AC to through A dash C dash. Extend A dash. Next, sixth one, then required ABC triangle is similar to triangle A dash B C dash. That's it. So our constructions from similar triangles have been completed.